Hi City, this is Sogand, you're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace flower. This video is dedicated to you. So let's go. Start the slip knot and chain 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. Skip first chain and make a single crochet in next chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Insert your hook in next chain and pull loop. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and insert your hook in fifth stitch and pull loop, pull through first loop and yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm going to crochet 5 single crochets in these 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skip next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make a single crochet in first single crochet. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make a single crochet in sixth stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in sixth stitch. Chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make a single crochet in fifth stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a single crochet in fifth stitch. Make 2 slip stitches in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Make 9 single crochets in first space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make 9 single crochets in next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9. Repeat 2 more times, 1 and 2. I crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 8, and skip 1 and 2, make a single crochet in third stitch of first bottle, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, skip next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. Once, chain 8, and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. Twice, chain 8, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. 3 times, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. 4 times, and the last time, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, skip next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. And 5 times. Make 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Make 9 single crochets in each space. You should have 6 spaces. Make 9 single crochets in each space. And 9. Make 9 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Keep repeating. To help this video reach more people, please like it. Many thanks. I crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 petals, chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip first 2 stitches and make a single crochet in third stitch of first bottle. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. Chain 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip next 5 stitches and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. Twice. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip next 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. 3 times. Chain 9. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches and make a single crochet in 6 stitch. 4 times. Chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet in 6 stitch 5 times. Chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to skip 6 stitches and make a single crochet in 7th stitch. Chain 9. Skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a single crochet in 7th stitch. Twice, and the last time. Chain 9. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches and make a slab stitch in last stitch. Okay, make a slab stitch in last stitch, 7th stitch. Make a single crochet in first space, make a half double crochet in same space, make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a half double crochet and make a single crochet. Repeat in all spaces, make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a half double crochet and make a single crochet. Repeat in all spaces. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 petals and make a slab stitch in next single crochet, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop only. Chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch in 2 loops of single crochet, make a slab stitch of 2 loops of single crochet, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, chain 1 and make a slab stitch. Make a slab stitch in 2 loops of single crochet, make a slab stitch in 2 loops of single crochet, chain 1 and make a slab stitch, back loop. Repeat in all petals. I crocheted in all petals, 9 petals, and make a slab stitch in single crochet, make a slab stitch in next stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. If you found this video helpful or fun, drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. See you soon. Bye.